Be honest, you watched 5 hours of tutorials, and still couldn't solve one problem on your own. Yeah, that's literally me, and probably you too. My name is Tanvir and I spend way too much time thinking about how computer science is actually learned. If you're someone who keeps struggling with coding, forgets concepts, or feels stuck despite studying, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing, most CS students are doing one big mistake. They consume, but they don't create. Studies show students retain less than 20% of what they passively watch, but over 75% when they actively practice. Here's what most people don't realize. Watching tutorials feels productive because your brain gets a fake sense of progress. It's like watching gym videos and expecting muscles. This is where it gets really interesting. Your brain only learns coding when it struggles. That frustration? That's not failure, that's learning happening. But most students avoid that discomfort and go back to another tutorial. Now, you might be thinking, but I need tutorials to understand. Yes, but not endlessly. Learn a little, then apply immediately. Watch 20 minutes, practice 2 hours. Get stuck. Google. Try again. Because real programmers aren't the ones who know everything, they're the ones who figure things out. Start today. One problem. No excuses.